Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to create a professional signature on Microsoft Outlook and you want to embed that signature on your sending mail, then this video is for you. So signature on mail is an important thing nowadays for verifying anything through yourself. That can be a proof that this mail is privately from yourself, or this mail is actually acknowledged by yourself that you are sending to that recipients. Now you have to do is open the Outlook application or the web browser. Now when you are Microsoft this Outlook, then you can find new mails. Simply click on it. Now if you are on the web browser, then you can find this type of interface, and here is icon where you can click on this paper and pen icon here. Now from here you can find option general signature, and here is the signatures only. Now you want to create professional signature, then you have to go with the signatures. This general signature only will type your name, but if you want to get a professional signature, let me show you. Like this one, this is my signature here. So if you want to get a professional signature from here, then you have to do is simply I'm going to create a new one. Let me show you how you can create it. Simply click on new signature, this plus icon, and simply click on professional, and you have to add your signature. Like I'm going to add this one here. Now from here you can do is also you can insert an image on your picture line. So you can also get a help of a third-party website that can help you to get a professional signature. So let me show you. Like signature, you can search signature. You can search for it, signature generator, signature generator, and you can find lots of web apps that can help you to generate a professional signature. So here it is. You can find it. Now you can type or draw here. Also there is more of them here. So we are going to try. Let's see how it's look like. You can draw your signature here, or you can type your signature. So I'm going to type my signature here. Now try for free. For that we have to sign into this application. So we are going to add my name here. So from here you can find different types of signature that looks pretty cool here, like this one here, also this one, or you can go with like this one here. So I'm going to download a signature from here, for example this one. So I'm going to download the signature that's look more casual. So I'm going to simply click on download, and here you can see the signature has downloaded, and this is the PNG format. That's pretty cool. Now you have to go back. Now you can upload the image. So I'm going to upload the image here, the PNG file. Here you can see it is how it's look like. So you can use it for new messages. You can add your signature automatically, or you can simply click on save button here. Now you can see it has just saved here. Now you can delete this, and you can add a signature. From here you can find the professional. Simply click on it, and here you can see it has just added. Now from here you can just adjust the size of your signature from here, and you type here and it will go back like this. Okay, and now after adding a mail here, for example I'm going to add any mail from here. After adding the mail, you can simply click on it and click on professional, and it will just appear like this, and you can select the size and it will adjust in this bottom here. Or otherwise you can do is, let me show you signatures here. The professional, you can do is you can delete the image, and you can add your typing, and from here you can find this option here, or you can find this font size where you can select the fonts, and you can also change the font color. You can make it bold. So I'm going to change it bold, and you can make it italic like this. You can add underline if you want, so you can add some highlights if you want. Then like this, here you can find the font color here, and also you can add some more of them here. Simply you can add it uppercase or lowercase. So that's how you can create it, but I prefer you to use these websites like this one that I have added. that look like pretty awesome and cool, like the professional. Here it is. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.